morning, guys. Welcome back. So I am in a rush to get into Zumba. I have 2 minutes, but we're early. Zumba, then shoulders. So I need to hurry up. I'm back, guys. So it is still Wednesday, July 25th. Came back to do second round of Zumba. So that's about it. I was feeling pretty lazy. Didn't want to come back, but still made it here. I tried to take a nap. That didn't quite work out. It took like a few minutes only of a nap, but yeah, time to go do this again. Good morning, guys. It is way too bright, way too hot out here, and I'm extra bloated because I'm on my you know what, so I'm wearing all black and it's hot as fuck, and I need to get to Zumba because I only have like a few minutes to get in there, or else they close the door. But what's today? Today is July 26th, I believe. It is Thursday, and it's my last day off, so I have a whole lot of shit to get done today. With that being said, I need to go get my shit done. Back, guys. So earlier I told you the wrong date. Today is Thursday, July 27th. I did Zumba first, then I did legs afterwards. I'm feeling a lot of pain in my back. Basically all my bones hurt. I feel very tired, even though I slept very well. But you know, it's that monthly time again, and it just freaking kills me. Like, it really kills me. It kills my mood. It kills my vibe. I'm extremely moody. So, sorry, Rick. I've been taking it out on him a lot. Because he doesn't understand the pain that us women go through.
But I understand that you're a pain in my ass.
Well, yeah, but you don't understand that I have pain in my, you know. But yeah, so he just thinks I'm making excuses. He thinks that I'm just crazy. But
both legit.
I mean, everyone's a little crazy.
Some more than others.
Shut up. But yeah, like, I'm just extremely drained, and I don't know. I just feel like I'm not rested enough, even though I've been sleeping enough. I'm just so tired. So if you have those issues, don't give up, you know, like, just keep pushing through it. You'll get It'll get better once, you know, Mother Nature goes away for a little bit. But yeah, with that being said, I still got my stuff done. Now it's time to meal prep for the week, and yeah, that's about it. Oh yeah, and I know I've been feeling extremely bloated and stuff. But I was looking at myself, and my clothes makes me look so much chubbier. So I might just roll this up and like start my own style, you know. So I don't know. So this is with big shirt. This is with smaller shirt. So a little flatter. Even though I still feel extremely bloated and I just feel the.
I mean, you're getting smaller though, so obviously.
I know, but I just haven't been feeling too good. Yeah, that's about it, guys. I'll see you guys later. Good morning, guys. So today is Saturday, July 29th. Gonna do quick cardio here at my apartment, and then the gym doesn't open until 7, so I'll go do arms quickly there. If I have more time, I'll do a little bit more cardio, then head off to work. So yeah, that's my Saturday pretty much. Definitely didn't want to wake up again. I wasn't feeling too well yesterday, so I took the day off. Didn't even go to work. All I did was house stuff. And yeah, pretty much it. That's my whole thing. Weekend will be catching up, and that's about it. So just got done with 45 minutes of cardio and arms. Super quick workout, and I am dying. Definitely super awake now. Now I just gotta get through the day, get to work, and probably do another 30 minutes tonight. We'll see, since I gotta make up for the day we took off. So if I see you later tonight, I'll see you later tonight. If I don't, see you tomorrow morning. Good morning, guys. So today is Sunday, July 30th. Oh, my neck is sore. It's cardio day. So yesterday was our makeup for the week because we took Friday off. We did arms and cardio. So today is just a cardio day. So yeah, basically another morning of not wanting to wake up. Sleepy. And we had what, About 8 hours of sleep.
Yeah.
Yeah, we had about 8 hours of sleep. But yeah, still sleepy.
This is you every day.
I know.
Not wanting to get
I
up.
never have enough sleep. Anyways, it's cardio time. And that's about it. Good morning, guys. Today is, what's today? Monday the 30th?
Nope.
You sure?
It's 31st.
31st already?
Yep.
Okay, guys. So it's Monday, July 31st. Had a few hours sleep. Tried to wake up still. I feel like I have to do this. And what are we doing today? Chest and cardio?
Yep.
Probably throw in some abs, because we've been slacking on abs again. It's so easy to like do, like, I'm gonna do abs after I do my cardio or whatever, and then you run out of time and then you don't do them, which is not even that hard to do. You can just quickly do it, but we don't even sometimes have 5 minutes to do it. So we'll try to do that today. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll try and start over again this week. But yeah, so I'm gonna do cardio, chest, and then what was I gonna say?
Go to work.
Yeah, and then
do
go to work,
Zumba.
and then right after work, I'll change at work, and then we'll go do Zumba at Fountain Valley. Yeah, that's about it. But I want to say that more women should start doing chest. Like, it really I feel like it really defines your, like, chest up here and your neck. Like, I feel like it really makes a difference in this area here, and makes your boobs look more lifted and stuff. So if you're out there and you don't do chest, start doing chest. Let's go get my chest workout. Guys, so it is still Monday, July 31st. So it's about 8:30. Just got done with Zumba. Came straight from work, and we made it early, huh? We made it 15 minutes early today. So I just brought my clothes with me. I got dressed at work, then I waited for Rick to pick me up, and then we came straight here. So I'm extremely tired. My feet are killing me. I've been on my feet all day. So they weren't fully responding to me wanting to move, and the class was extremely cold, but nonetheless, no excuses, still did it. I moved as fast as I could, and I did my best. So at the end of the day, at least I got my butt here and did something. So if you're working or you're tired or whatever your deal is, make sure you do something, you know, regardless of what the issue is. I've been working out on my period. I've been working out after work, and yeah, that's about it. So just wanted to encourage you guys to do what you gotta do, even if it's just 15-30 minutes, you know, just do something, get yourself moving, even if you're tired. With that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. And see you guys later.